fix Nigeria.
No,
that is what the ADC stands for.
No, the point he cannot. That's what I'm saying.
Mr. Rotimi Amaechi said he's going to be the next president of Nigeria.
Please.
If given the ticket.
Please. No, you know he won't get the ticket.
Why?
No,
why not?
Please. You see what he said, that I read, he said he knows the weaknesses of the president. So he knows how to defeat him. But he also knew the weakness of the president in 2022 when the president defeated him mercilessly in their primaries. He didn't know his weaknesses then. It is now he knew the weaknesses.
Maybe he has studied it and
okay, now he has studied it. But let me tell you, Nigerians know the last person they will give ticket, because you know that is dead on arrival. You know called dead on arrival. It's dead on arrival.
That was the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, taking his kinsman and former governor of Rivers State, Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi, to the cleaners for claiming that he has the secret on how to defeat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027 better than Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2023 presidential election. He said that these two men have been defeated by Tinubu, saying that what are they going to do different, better than, what are they going to do different from what they did in 2023, in which Tinubu defeated them. Of course, you and I know that the 2023 election was not free and fair. Anybody in doubt should go and read the report of the European Union Monitoring Group, because any other, at least that will be an unbiased report on the assessment of that election. That election was not free and fair. And Peter Obi has presented evidence that he got 10 million votes that was slashed down to 6.1 million votes. Now, between these two men, Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar, they got close to 13 million votes. They have got over 13 million. They have about 13 million votes, because Peter Obi got 6.1 million votes according to INEC slashed vote allocated to him, and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar had 6.19 million votes. But Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi, when he was in the airspace earlier this month, took them to the cleaners, both of them, that they have nothing new to prove. They have nothing new to show that they can be able to defeat Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That he, Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi, has the secret of how to defeat Tinubu, and that was what Nyesom Wike has called him out and said, okay, you say you have the secret of defeating Bola Ahmed Tinubu. When did you get this secret? Does it mean you are not aware of that secret in 2022 when Bola Ahmed Tinubu defeated you at the APC primaries? As he put it, mercilessly. But even that also is also questionable, because if you ask Amaechi will claim that it was not free and fair or whatever. But the truth of the matter was that the same way that Tinubu was emerged the president in an election that European Union Monitoring Group said was not free and fair, it can also be said to be the same way he emerged in the primaries. In other words, Amaechi cannot come and claim that he knows the secret of Bola Ahmed Tinubu better than those he defeated in the 2023 election, when himself was defeated by Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2022. I hardly agree with Nyesom Wike in several issues, but on this particular one, I agree with him that Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi's presidential ambition is dead on arrival in terms of emerging as the ADC presidential candidate or even on any other political platform. Okay, remember that in that X space where he appeared, Rotimi Amaechi was even challenging the notion that Nigerians are clamoring for Peter Obi. He said that he said, where are the opinion poll that was conducted to show that Nigerians are clamoring for Peter Obi? So he was offended that one of the participants in the X space conversation with him projected Peter Obi as the one that everybody's clamoring for, and not himself or any other person, but Peter Obi. So he challenged that notion, saying that which opinion poll did they conduct to show that Peter Obi is the one Nigerians are clamoring for. And then he challenged Peter Obi to show that he can win the primaries if he knows that they are clamoring for him. Let us go to the primaries to see whether he can be able to win it. Okay, and when he asked for that proof, the only proof that came easily to my mind when I saw that his question was the poll that was conducted instantly when he held his X-Space conversation. In that his X-Space conversation, X-Space conversation, it's about 700 or thereabout people that participated there, either 700 or 7,000. I can't remember the figure now, but it is between this bracket. That's 700 or thereabout. 700 persons participated. When Peter Obi held his own X-Space conversation, 315,000 people participated. They were live to ask him questions. Okay. And when I presented that to Grok, I said, what does this mean? Grok told me that it shows that Peter Obi is far more influential than Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi. It means that he is the person that people are clamoring for, because that was an indication. The number of people that turned up, that tuned in to his X conversation, dwarfed that of Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi. Mercilessly. That if Chibuike Amaechi is looking for evidence, because he was asking where are the polls that show that Nigerians are clamoring for Peter Obi. That was the best poll, because that one you don't need to wait for New York Times, you don't need to wait for NOI, you don't need to wait for any other group. This is instantaneous, because as you are doing it live, your record are kept. And this record are kept forever. Anytime you go to Grok, you go to ChatGPT, you will ask how many people participated when Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi held his conversation on so and so day. How many participated when Peter Obi held his own on so and so day. You see the data. In fact, this is the best poll anybody can think about. Far better than the polls that pollster will conduct, telephoning respondents, asking them one or two questions on that. So that was the clearest indication to answer Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi's question at that time, saying what are the proof that Nigerians are clamoring for Peter Obi. Now, what the Minister of the FCT said there, that that Chibuike Amaechi cannot be the presidential candidate, talk less of winning Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is absolutely correct. I agree with him on that. Okay, because I expected Chibuike Amaechi to support Peter Obi in this in this presidential run of 2027, because Peter Obi is the one that has the momentum. Peter Obi has the momentum. Amaechi just want to come and try for the first time. Okay, Peter Obi has the momentum. He has been tested, and everybody is clamoring that the next president of Nigeria should come from the South, because the South is yet to conclude its 8 years presidency by 2027. By 2027, it's supposed to be the turn of the South to produce a president that will last till 2031, which was the reason why Peter Obi himself has volunteered that he's going to do only one term to hand over to a northerner in 2031. And if there is anybody who can say that he has defeated Tinubu, it should be Peter Obi, because Peter Obi presented evidence of 10 million votes that he got in the last election, that INEC slashed down to 6.1 million. The Supreme Court may not have agreed with him. Agreed. But the truth of the matter is that in the hearts and minds of majority of Nigerians who voted in that election, Peter Obi was robbed. So if Peter Obi had defeated Tinubu in 2023 in the hearts and minds of Nigerians, okay, it therefore means that he is the one that stands a better position to defeat Bola Ahmed Tinubu again in 2027. Okay? Peter Obi defeated Tinubu in his backyard in Lagos. And this is the same Tinubu they say nobody has ever defeated Tinubu, but he was defeated in his backyard in Lagos by a wide margin, according to reports. By a wide margin that INEC magically narrowed, allegedly. So what are we talking about? So if there's anybody who can boast that he knows how to defeat Tinubu, it should be Peter Obi, who has defeated him at his backyard. Not Amaechi, not even Atiku Abubakar. Because Atiku Abubakar could not even defeat Tinubu in Atiku Abubakar's backyard in the Northeast. If you look at the results of the 2023 election as INEC presented it, which is what we are just using to do this analysis, okay? If you look at the 2023 result from the Northeast, where Atiku Abubakar hails from, Northeast was shared between Atiku Abubakar and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu won in he won in Borno, he won in Yobe, and then he won one other state in the Northeast, because this Northeast is made up of 6 states. But I know that Atiku Abubakar took Adamawa. Atiku Abubakar took Bauchi, and Atiku Abubakar took Gombe. Okay, so Tinubu and Atiku shared it, 3 states each. So if Atiku Abubakar could not even defeat Tinubu in Atiku Abubakar's backyard in the Northeast, but Peter Obi literally floored him in the Southeast. Peter Obi finished Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He couldn't even get any single state in his own territory. If you want to be ethnic, in his own territory, his own zone. Okay, in the South, Peter Obi also finished Tinubu, defeated him in most of the states in the South. So if there is anybody who has the credential to defeat Tinubu in 2027, of the 3 of them, you cannot look beyond Peter Obi. He is the one that has defeated him in several zones, in South, Southeast, and defeated him in his backyard, in a state that he governed for 8 years, where they claimed he built. Peter Obi defeated him by a wide margin, according to even PDP agents in Lagos at that time, before INEC brought out a narrowed verdict. result from Lagos. But still, Peter Obi beat him in Lagos. So Peter Obi is the only one that knows how to beat Bola Ahmed Tinubu more than Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi, more than Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. That's my take. I don't know what you think about the mocking of the former governor of Rivers State and former minister of transportation Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi by his kinsman Nyesom over the assertion by Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi that he is the only one between Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar who know how to beat Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who has the secret, that he knows the secret with which to beat Tinubu in 2027 election if he emerges the presidential candidate of the ADC coalition. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.